Dawn said, no, he's not.
Oh my God!
He asked you to come in and you tell him you're going to come. You should show up.
Well, I said it was Sunday, and he said that's all right, it's too muddy to mow fairways. So he didn't say have him weed eat. He
didn't say nothing.
So I just figured.
He said have him take the day off.
There wasn't nothing for you to do if he couldn't mow fairways, so that's why I said.
Nothing to do.
He didn't tell you.
We went and aerated all them greens today.
He didn't say take the day off. I did. I just figured he didn't want you coming in because he couldn't mow fairways. So I just
that's
said
what Dawn
take the
said.
day
I
off.
was like, I didn't say take the day off. I was like, yes, you did. I got the message. He's like, I don't want to see no message.
Oh, he was rare before he got to work.
After we got done aerating, it was freaking pouring down right here. Me and Paul go out there and start cutting trees. We put a notch in the one tree and didn't get the notch out. So Paul moved over to the other tree. He don't know how to run a saw, man. He was like, Sean, like, dog was sitting shaking his head like this. I kept saying, let me run that saw. Let me run that saw. He wouldn't let me run the saw. We didn't cut neither one of them. The one's got a notch out. You know where I cut them locusts down? Right down behind the shop, right there by the pond. I cut 2 locusts down. Keep going straight out past there. There's a group of dead pine trees. All them dead pines. The one's cut down. The one's right next to the. What hole is that?
That's how it was.
Right behind the shop. What hole is that?
14.
Okay, the one's right next to 14 green. The one pine tree. If we drop it that way, it'll lay right on the green. Well, 1, 2, there's 4 pine trees and 3 locust trees. But it's all on that note about the time clock. You see that note about the time clock? Trim the bushes. Yeah, it's from up top. Yeah, they sent a list out there of stuff that needs done.
We gotta go out home.
Okay.
I just want to be ready.
I'm staying here, man. I'll come back. Come back here. I'm out of gas.
Alright.
You working in the morning?
Probably not.
That's what you said about this morning.
I'm done. There ain't nothing to cut.
Ain't nothing to cut on.
No.
So I'll see you in a few. I just gotta run to my
Bye,
house now.
guys.
Live right out railing. Not far.
Bear.
Alright, bye.
Make a dog elf.
Girly. Want to tail whooping today?
No.
Huh? No? You always say no. I'm going to quit asking you. Caden let me give him one the other day.
Yeah, I drank beer one day.
What are you trying to do here?
Making me. No, that's not really more fair.
Fucking paydays. Easy come, easy go, you know? You have that problem too, Chris? Payday. Easy come, easy go. No?
Not usually. Used to. Until I was getting tired of being broke all week, so I stopped buying everything.
That's
it.